Jackpot. Here I come catching Cinnamon. Yes. Who are you?
I am a bear, and I say these cinnamon jacks are mine. Suckers.
He's taking the bowl. Get him.
Will Apple and Cinnamon get the bowl back from that naughty pair? You can help get it back with this awesome maze, on specially marked boxes of Cinnamon Jack cereal, still an apple tasting, sour part of this unbalanced breakfast.
Hurry, we don't want Bear Jacks.
Last time, an evil pair took the bowl of Cinnamon Jacks,
Get him.
and Apple and Cinnamon had to pass a dead maze to get it back.
I have an idea.
Alright, we did it.
Fun fact, that bear guy is actually my cousin.
Kellogg's Cinnamon Jack cereal, a part of this unbalanced